Hello and welcome to this question. So this is BECE 1990, and the question says that in a class of 60 students, 46 passed mathematics and 42 passed English language. Every student passed at least one of the two subjects. Illustrate the information on a Venn diagram. How many students passed in both subjects? Let n represent the number of students who passed in both subjects. So this question, we've been given two sets, that is students who passed in mathematics and then students who passed in English language. And we are supposed to represent the information on a Venn diagram and then find how many students passed in both subjects. So first of all, we can get our data from the question. And the first thing that we do is we let U represent the universal set. So represent, or you can say that we are letting U represent the total number of students in a class. So students in a class. So students in the class. So that is our universal set. Once we have that, then we can, since mathematics is starting, the first letter for mathematics is M, we can say that we are letting M represent students who passed in mathematics. So M represents the students who passed in mathematics. Students who passed mathematics. And then we can let E also represent students who passed in English. Now the question was stated in the question that we should let N represent the number of students who passed in both subjects. So we know that N of M intersection E is equal to N. That is the number of students who passed in both subjects. The number we've been told that we should let it be equal to N. It was stated also in the question that there are 60 students in a class. So it means N of U. We know that U represents the total number of students in a class. So that is 60. And we are also told that there are 46 students who passed mathematics. So N of M, that is 46. And then N of E, that is the number of students who passed English language, is 42. So this is our data. We've been told the first part of the question says that we should illustrate what we have here on a Venn diagram. So that is what we are going to do. So I part, we are illustrating this on a Venn diagram. So I have my rectangle nicely drawn. There is some bird worrying me. Don't mind him. Don't mind it. Okay, so our N of U is 60. We know that the Venn diagram, we have two sets, so we are going to have two circles. Like that. And we know that this region is the intersection. We've been told that we should let N represent the intersection, so that is where our N goes to. And then this is M. N of M is 46. And then N of E is 42. So since the whole of the set for mathematics is 46, if I want mathematics only, I would have to subtract the intersection from the total number of students who pass mathematics. So it means here is going to be 46 minus n. Same for here, 42 minus n. The question said that every student passed at least one of the two subjects. So it means that we don't have any students who did not pass any of the subjects. That is why we don't have any complement here. So to find n, we have to add everything in the sets that we have here and then equate it to the total number of students in a class. So it implies that we have n of m plus n of e minus n of m intersection e, and that is equal to n of u. So let me write it also that so we have n of u equals n of m plus n of e minus n of m intersection e. So this formula can be used. The universal set is made up of the total number of students in the set m, and the total number of students in the set e. Then we have, once we are counting the total number of students in m and the total number of students in e, it means we have counted the intersection 2 times. So it means we have to subtract one of the intersection from the 2 sets to be able to get just one of this. We know that the total number of students in the class is 60. The number of students in m is 46 plus 42 minus n. So we have 60 equals 46 plus 42 is going to give us 88 minus n. Then we can bring our n here and take the 60 to the side. So it implies we have n equals 88 minus 60. That means our n is going to be 88 minus 60 is 28. That means 28 students passed both subjects. So that was your II part. So this was your II. The illustration on the Venn diagram was the I part, and this is the II part. Alright, so instead of using this formula, we can also use the values that we have in the various regions inside of the Venn diagram. So let's look at how that would have been. So what I mean is that, you know that where we have the 46 minus n is called m only, this side. So it means we are going to get 46 minus n, then we add the intersection plus n, then we add English only, the students who passed English only. That is 42 minus n. That means we've added every region in this particular union here, and that should give us the total number of students in the class. you know that when you have this negative n plus n, they will cancel each other out. So that we have 46 plus 42 minus n equals 60, which is the same thing that we had. 88 minus n equals 60. That means you can take the n here to make it positive, then bring the 60 here to make it negative. So it's the same as n equals 88 minus 60. That gives us n equals 28, similar to what we had in the previous solution. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel to help us grow. See you in another video. Goodbye.